Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Di sini saya akan mempresentasikan blog yang sudah saya buat, yaitu blog tentang RPP dan pembelajaran. School name SDIT Insan Kamil. Name of lesson plan activity understanding the use of present continuous tense. Skill focus grammar class 5 until 6. Di sini sudah ada channel YouTube-nya, jadi silahkan nanti dipelajari lebih lanjut di dalam. Kemudian yang pertama, objective of the lesson. The purpose of this learning is to make students understand and organize ideas and information. From sentence, use the given clues and frame their own sentence. Allow students to use the present continuous tense in real life situation and aim for students to be able to speak, read, and write simple English. And then 2, instruction for teaching the lesson. A, presentation. Before the lesson, the teacher is to have prepared a video of various people doing action. She or he used the video to teach the present continuous tense to her student by freezing, framing, and the picture after each scan and asking student question like, what is the name of this thing? What is Mr. Chandra doing? What is Nara doing? What are Mr. Chandra and Nara doing? In this way, student will be prompted to use the teaching point. Once she or he allocates their answer and teacher writes them on the board. And the next, B, production. Teacher regroups the student and gives 5 slips of paper with present continuous tense sentence on them to each group. C then instruct the student. Each slip has a sentence written in the present continuous form. Each group will either mime or draw the action on the blackboard. Select a leader who will mime a draw on the blackboard. The others group will guess the action in turn. Earn 5 points. And the next we have practice, yaitu adalah di bawah sendiri nanti ada contoh dialog dan contoh soal, bisa dipelajari lebih lanjut. Di bawah sendiri ya, yang example. Di sini ada dialog singkat dan kemudian ada soal, nanti bisa dilatih sendiri. Kemudian kita lanjut ke blok selanjutnya, yaitu reading. Nah, tolong Mbak Khofifah dibukakan blok selanjutnya, reading. Selanjutnya itu adalah reading. Name of school MTS Albani di Telas Semarang, subject English, class 7 learning skill reading. Di sini sudah ada channel YouTube-nya, jadi silahkan nanti dipelajari lebih lanjut lagi di dalam. And then 1, competency standard. Understand and apply factual, conceptual, procedural, and metacognitive knowledge at a simple technical and specific level based on curiosities about science, art, and culture with human, national, and state insight related to visible phenomena and events. And 2, basic competence. Applying social function, text structure, and linguistic elements of spoken and written transactional interaction text that involve the acts of ordering, inviting, asking for permission, and responding to them, as well as with the context of their use. And then 3, competency achievement indicator. 1, understand the reading text carefully. 2, identify certain information in a text such as reading and involves the act of ordering, inviting, asking permission, and responding to it, as well as with the context of its use. And 3, identify the topic of the text read. And 4, read a text with the correct intonation and speech. And the 4, we have learning objective. Student can understand the topic of reading and can understand certain information in the text carefully and precisely. And of course, student can read aloud according to the correct intonation and speech. And the last, we have subject matter. identify factual meaning in the text, identify the structure of descriptive text, and reading and understanding descriptive text. Nah, jadi keinginan kita murid nanti bisa mengidentifikasi secara fakta apa artinya teks, bisa membaca, kemudian bisa mengidentifikasi struktur dari descriptive text. Kita fokus materinya di sini, kemudian bisa membaca dan mengerti descriptive text. Di bawah ini juga ada contoh soal, nanti silahkan bisa dikerjakan secara mandiri. Kemudian lanjut ke writing. Name of school M. Al-Burhan Hidayatullah Semarang, subject English, grade 10, learning skill writing. Di sini sudah ada channel YouTube, nanti bisa dipelajari lebih lanjut lagi di dalam channel YouTube ini. Kemudian yang pertama, competency standard, applying, analyzing factual, conceptual, procedural knowledge based on their curiosity about science, technology, art, culture, and humanities with insight into humanity, national state, and civilization relate to the causes of phenomena and events, as well as applying procedural knowledge in specific field of study according to their talents and interest to solve problems. Kemudian di bawahnya ini sama ya, ada basic competence, kemudian kompetensi achievement indicator, kemudian juga ada learning objective, can write descriptive text well and correctly, can find out and resume simple descriptive text. And then ada main material. Ada identify factual meaning in the text, identify the general structure of descriptive text, and then writing and understanding descriptive text. Kemudian di bawah ini juga ada bacaan descriptive text serta soal. Itu bisa dipelajari lebih lanjut. Mungkin cukup sekian dari saya. Ada pertanyaan? Oh ya, tidak ada. Oke, kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.